Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to do some problems depending upon Doppler effect. In our last class we have seen what is the definition of the Doppler effect and its equation. The operant frequency n dash is given by n into V plus or minus V observer by V plus or minus V source. If medium also moving, operant frequency is given by n into V plus or minus V observer plus or minus W by V plus or minus Vs plus or minus W. What we have left, how to choose sign plus or minus, when you have to take plus and when you have to take minus, we left in last class. So now we will discuss how to choose this. You observe this equation. In right side n is multiplied by a fraction, You observe there are two important points. When the distance between source and observer decreases, there will be increase in operant frequency, n dash will be increased. Only when distance between source and observer decreases, then there is a increase in operant frequency. Again, second point, when the distance between source and observer increases, operant frequency decreases. There is a decrease in frequency, operant frequency, if the distance between source and observer increases. You see, the right side is a fraction. When the fraction value increases or decreases, it depends upon. See, if it is fraction, its value increases when numerator increases or denominator decreases. When numerator increases or denominator decreases, fraction value increases. And its value means operant frequency value decreases when numerator decreases. If numerator decreases or denominator increases, then also fraction value will be decreased. You have to select W sign as this. If wind blows along same direction, you have to take W as positive. If it is blowing in the same direction, W is positive. If wind blows in opposite direction, W is negative. You have to take minus W. When wind blows opposite direction. See one problem. A railway engine moving with a speed of 60 meters per second passes in front of stationary listener. The real frequency of whistle is 400 Hz. Calculate the operant frequency when engine is moving away from the listener. Va is given as 340 meters per second. Take down the data first. He is given engine is moving with speed of 60 meters per second. So Vs is equals to 60 meters per second. Observer is stationary, means Vo is equals to 0. And actual frequency of whistle is n is equals to 400. V is velocity of sound 340 meters per second. See, you observe here, engine is moving away from the listener, so operant frequency will be decreased. So that you have to select Vo. You have to select either plus minus, we have to decide here. You see Vo is 0, so you have to put Vo is 0, and you have to select Vs, whether Vs is plus or minus. So engine is moving away from listener, so what is happening, operant frequency is decreasing, so you have to select plus in denominator, so it becomes V plus Vs. So our equation is n dash is equals to n into V plus 0, that is V, by V plus Vs. You substitute here, n dash is equals to n means 400 into V is 340 by V is 340 plus Vs is 60. This is 400 into 340 by 400. If you calculate this, you will get 340 Hz. So students, you keenly observe this video and prepare notes and prepare well. Thank you.